Okay, guys, the bunny is stuck inside of the bee bush. And so we don't know how to get her out. She's right there, as you can see. And we call it the bee bush for a reason, because there's bees inside of here.
What? Oh, God.
Oh, she's hopping out, everybody. She's hopping. Yeah. She hopped. She did it. She made it out.
Woo!
Yeah, let's go this way.
The bunny just scratched. The bunny just scratched Sophia, which is very disappointing, as you can see.
Yeah. Who's gonna race him?
You know the bunny win the race by going.
Here, Lily.
slow
Let me
steady.
video. You have a race.
You get back here.
I think you didn't hear
You
the-
get
No,
back
I
here.
heard you a little bit.
Oh, okay, that's the bunny. That's how fast the bunny is. Now
Sophia,
it's time for the dog.
The bunny went.
For the dog.
Here, Sophia. I'll get her.
Ready? Come on, Sharon, let's go. So who do you think has the best time? Number 1, which is the bunny. Number 2, which is the dog. Pause it. We're having a race, okay.
Alright, we're going. It's a race. Let's go. Come on, go. Oh, we're going that way. We're going this way, everybody.
I turned into a fighting match, people.
Who won the race?
No one.
It's really a circle.
It's turning into a fighting match. Go dog, go dog, go dog. Who do you think's gonna win?
Because you're not keeping up and she's going to break her own neck.
Yeah.
Oh.
She's like more. Here, let her go first.
We're going to go. Well, we got to push her.
She's nervous.
My money is on the bunny.
My money's on the dog. I'll give you a couple seconds to see who it is. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let it begin.
Sophia, you can't get wrapped up on me. Oh, my gosh. No.